Today I'm making raspberry rolls with the chocolate icing. First I have these Pillsbury grams and raspberry. I'm going to add them to a greased cake pan. Next I'm going to pour a half a cup of heavy cream over the rolls and then bake this at 350 for 20 minutes. Next I'm going to make the chocolate icing, so in a pot I have 3 tablespoons of butter. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of heavy cream. Then I'm going to add the icing that came with the rolls. Now I put the icing on the stove. I'm going to cook it on low heat, stirring occasionally until everything is melted. Once it's all melted, take it off the stove. Once the rolls are done, dump the chocolate icing on top and then let it sit for 20 minutes for the icing to absorb into the rolls. Here's an up-close look at one of the rolls.